Hi everyone, in this demo I'll show you how an AI receptionist can take care of customer care calls for spas, salons, dental clinics, auto repair shops and many more. It can answer common questions, explain services, what you guys offer. It can check availability of the booking or slot. It can automatically book your appointment 24/7. So let's see how it works. So I'm calling to the agent and let's start.
Hello, thank you for calling Inwood Village. How may I assist you today?
Hey, can you tell me more about what you guys offer?
We offer a range of dental care, including general, cosmetic, restorative, and emergency dentistry, with treatments like Invisalign, teeth whitening, dental implants, and full mouth reconstruction. Is there a specific service you'd like to know more about?
Yeah, can you tell me more about a full mouth reconstruction?
Full mouth reconstruction is a comprehensive treatment that restores the function and appearance of your teeth using a combination of procedures like crowns, bridges, implants, and veneers. Would you like me to help you schedule a consultation to discuss it in detail?
Yeah, sure. Can you book me an appointment? But before that, can you tell me what is the pricing?
The exact cost of full mouth reconstruction depends on the specific treatments involved and your individual plan. So a consultation is the best way to get an accurate estimate. I can help you book that consultation. May I have your first and last name to get started?
Yeah, it's John Alpha.
Thanks, John. And what's the best phone number to reach you?
12345678910.
Got it. What email address should we send the confirmation to?
It's johnalpha@gmail.com.
Let me read that back. johnalpha@gmail.com. Did I get that right?
Yeah.
Thanks, John. What are you coming in for? Just the consultation for full mouth reconstruction.
Yes.
We're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 2 and 5 to 9 in the evening, and weekends, 9 to 2. What day and time works best for you?
I would like to book Monday at 5 in the evening.
Monday at 5 in the evening is available. Let me double check just that exact time slot. Monday at 5 in the evening is all set for your consultation. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, have a nice one. Hey, as you can see, this AI receptionist can handle calls. It can provide customer care. It can help you book your appointments 24/7 without being on the phone. So if you guys interested, book a meeting and let's connect. Bye bye.